my health. Kaya worship. Rekalaboshe kapalaga yagada bozuka pa yagada boshe kapalaga yagada. Rekapa, we are going to pray in one unit, Father, by in one faith. Father, my Father, every spiritual padlock the enemy I use to padlock my testimony, let that padlock catch fire in the name of Jesus. Let that padlock catch fire in the name of Jesus. Let that padlock catch fire in the name of Jesus. Let that padlock catch fire in the name of Jesus. Let that padlock catch fire in the name of Jesus. Let that padlock catch fire in the name of Jesus. Masheke palada labo sotoria baba. So now we raise a standard against spiritual padlock. That evil padlock the enemy have used to padlock your testimony. That ancient gate, that ancient padlock, the enemy have used to padlock your womb and marital settlement. Every spiritual padlock the enemy have used to padlock your glory. That use it to padlock your document. In the name of Jesus, so now we raise a prayer altar, oh God. Let that altars of padlock be destroyed by fire. Wicked altars that padlock our glory. Wicked altars that padlock every womb. Wicked altars that padlock your finances. Wicked altars that padlock your documents. Wicked altars that padlock your glory. So now we command la shatalabaya. Altar that padlock our divine health. Let that altars be destroyed by fire. 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 Let that altar be destroyed by fire. Lord, arise for us tonight. Lord, arise for your children tonight. Lord, arise for us tonight. Lord, arise for us tonight. Altars the enemy have used to padlock your children glory. That spiritual padlock they used to padlock that womb, that the womb will no longer conceive. That spiritual padlock they used to padlock somebody's destiny. They are padlock that document. They are padlock marital settlement. We command that spiritual padlock to catch fire. We command the 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 spiritual padlock to catch fire. Ele talaba shatalaba yakataya. Reke payagada bazetalia baba. Reke tali kalaboshe talia baba. Reka palada laga jeketalia baba. Reke tali kabayagada baleka yagada. Reka palada lazakata legezataya ba. Reka bayagada bajetalia bayada. Reka bayada lazataya da. Aleka palazataya da. Leka payata rewo sotoria baba. Jesus, arise to Okaraboshia. Arise to your anger, oh my Father. We get to destroy every spiritual padlock. The enemy have used to padlock our wombs. The enemy have used to padlock our marital settlement. The enemy have used to padlock our glory. Jetoko pozutali da la lasha. Ekapaya da la sataya baba. As many connected, oh God, I declare, oh God, let their wounds be open. Let their marriages be open. Let the doors of their testimony be open. Let the doors of marital favor be open. Let the doors of fruitfulness be open. Let the doors of finances be open. Let the doors of miracle joy be open. Let the doors of healing be open. Power that padlock in the realm of the spirit. Padlock your glory. Power that padlock your destiny. Power that padlock your wombs. Power that padlock your health. The destiny of your children. So now we rise in unity. So that we call God in one voice. Let that evil padlock be destroyed. Let that 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 padlock be destroyed. Evil padlock of poverty. Evil padlock of delay. Evil padlock of joblessness. Evil padlock of miscarriage. Evil padlock of late marriages. Evil padlock of promise and failure. Evil padlock padlock of barrenness, evil padlock of miscarriages, evil padlock of rising and falling, evil padlock of stagnation, evil padlock of addiction. Let me destroy this morning. Let Shakapaya Gadaba Shataya, Rekapalada Yagada Yagadada. Set your children free, oh God. Set your children free, oh God. Set your children free, oh God. Set your children free tonight.